Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to my page. This is Patty with Patty's Southern Kitchen. Today, I'm about to make some honey mustard chicken drumettes. And I've mixed all of these seasonings here and more. This is just a few of the seasonings that I'm using. I'm using the honey mustard and some honey and the Chef Paul Prudhomme's chicken poultry magic, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and it's not cinnamon, paprika. That's what I'm using, paprika. So let's go over here. This is the skillet that I have the oil in, corn oil that I'm getting ready to put the chicken in. Once I batter it, I will use cornstarch and flour mixed. And right here, I'm boiling some potatoes to make some cream potatoes. And I added a little salt to this, so I'll come back and show you this. And the chicken once it is frying. And these are some of the seasonings. Of course, you can use the seasoning of your choice, but these are just some that I chose to use. It's not all of them. I use many more seasonings than this because I like a lot of seasoning because I love flavor. So we'll come back in just a sec. Okay? These are some of the honey mustard chicken drumettes. And I will come back and show you the cream potatoes and what I'll be putting in those. I'll talk to you in just a minute. Hi, this is Patty, and I'm coming back to show you my cream potatoes, my Cajun cream potatoes. Cajun cream potatoes. Here they are, right here. And what I've used is I used about, well, 6 or 7 medium Irish potatoes, and I boiled them in salt water. I drained them, and I put my butter in. I put 3/4 stick of butter. I used heavy whipping cream. I put a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. I put 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, chives, garlic powder, sea salt to taste, onion powder, a little bit of Creole seasoning, and black pepper. And this is what they look like. I've tasted them. They are absolutely amazing. And Tyler has a plate here, and he is going to taste the cream potatoes, Cajun cream potatoes, and tell the subscribers and the viewers what it tastes like.
They are so good and creamy.
Yes, they are absolutely phenomenal. And I have the chicken that I've told you about already, the honey mustard fried chicken drumettes. And this is what we're having for supper tonight. I have some leftover green beans with potatoes and onions from last night. So this is our dinner. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your comments. And we will see you again soon. Thank you so very much for your support. Good night.